Hi, I'm Money Mike. I teach personal finance stuff the way it should have been taught in school. Today, we're talking about emergency funds, aka the thing you don't think about until your car explodes. Let's keep it simple. An emergency fund is cash you set aside for life's surprise punches. It's not for brunch, not for sneakers, not for retail therapy after your ex posts gym selfies. It's money set aside for real emergencies. Job loss, medical bills, car says, nope, tooth says, surprise. Stuff you didn't plan, didn't want, and definitely didn't budget for. Now, there's a chance you don't have one. Perhaps you've got $14.62 in your account, and you're one flat tire away from selling your AirPods. No shame. Most people are right there with you. Because emergency funds are not sexy, not flashy, and even boring. No one says, hey bro, check out my savings account. But you know what is sexy? Not panicking when life hits. Because nothing screams adult like handling a crisis with calm instead of chaos. So, how much should you save? The boring internet answer is 3 to 6 months of expenses. Cool, but expenses like what? You don't need 3 months of Uber Eats. You need 3 months of survival. So figure out your bare minimum. Rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, car payment and gas, minimum credit card payments, and health insurance. Add that up. Multiply by 3. That's your starter emergency fund. All right, now where do you not keep it? Under your mattress? No, unless you like losing to inflation and bedbugs. In a checking account? Also no. Too easy to accidentally spend. Crypto? We are not playing roulette with emergency cash. Here's where you should keep it. In a high-yield savings account. It earns decent interest, it's safe, and you can get your money quickly when you need it. Look for an FDIC-insured, no fees, and a good APY account. Keyword? Accessible. Not locked up. Not invested. Not connected to your debit card. If you're interested in learning more about high-yield savings accounts, I have a video telling you all about them. Here's how to build your emergency fund. Step 1. Open a high-yield savings account. Step 2. Automate it. $20 a week, $100 a month, whatever you're able to do. Step 3. Reach your goal of 3 months' worth of expenses. Step 4. Sleep better at night, knowing if something sus happens, you can lean back on your smart saving behavior. Now, what actually counts as an emergency? Some examples include car trouble, ER visits, losing your job, surprise bills, your phone gets swallowed by the toilet, etc. What doesn't count? Black Friday, emotional healing trips to Sephora, a PlayStation 5, anything labeled limited edition in all caps. If you have to ask, is this an emergency? It probably isn't. And don't hit me with the, I don't need savings, I've got a credit card. No, that's not a backup plan. That's just debt with makeup on. You don't escape emergencies by borrowing more money. That's just a panic loan. You're paying interest and digging yourself in a deeper hole. Here's the truth. Life will test you. And when it does, you'll either say, thank God I was ready, or, welp, time to panic. An emergency fund is financial armor. Not for everyday use, but for desperate times. Here's a quick test. What's actually an emergency? Your dog swallows a sock? Yes. Your car's transmission dies? Definitely. The PS5 went on sale? Absolutely not. Your cousin's bachelor party in Vegas? Breathe in, breathe out. No. And if you're still not convinced, try this. Next time something goes wrong, ask yourself if having an extra couple $1,000s would have helped you. So be boring, be responsible, and when something goes wrong, and it will, you'll handle it like a boss instead of trying to wing it. Because the smartest money you'll ever save is the money you hope you never need. I'm Money Mike. Now go build your emergency fund and subscribe for more personal finance vids. See you in the next one.